Welcome back to the world of cloud stars. So I think you all have received this kind of email, this milestone progress report, and you will be receiving this kind of progress report in every week, so that you can just check it out whether you're on right path to reach the ultimate milestone or not. So just if you scroll down, you can see that there are some important announcement below that the program deadline has been extended till September 27th at 11:59 p.m. IST, and the arcade games and trivias are now live. So just check out our previous videos regarding arcade levels and trivias, and also you can complete those games to earn some arcade points and to be eligible to be in a specific milestone. And then you can see lab limit update, i.e. 15 labs per day per user. This is very important. Google has investigated and found that some of the users are misusing their platform so that they have limited the lab attempts for every users. Note that this 15 lab limit is not their 15 lab completions, it is the 15 lab attempts. Okay, so it is very important. So just schedule your plan to perform arcade labs. Note, the lab limits are counted from the first time any user runs their first lab on a new day in their registered account time zone. It's different for every user based on when they started their first lab in the day and in which registered time zone. If you have failed in any lab, then don't perform multiple times. It will waste your lab attempts in that day. Ask your facilitators, or you can comment us so that we can make video regarding that particular lab, so that you can complete the lab in your second attempt. Okay, so now if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the milestone metric. You can see that I have completed 1 arcade game and 1 trivia and 2 skill badges. Okay, so as per milestone criteria, I haven't met any. So I haven't reached any milestone yet. This is showing here. One more thing, that when you complete any trivia, arcade games, or skill badges, it will take around 24 hours to update your details. So whatever the progress report you are receiving, it may be 24 hours old data. Okay, so don't have to worry about your data if you have completed recently any lab or any arcade game or any trivia, and it is not updated in this report, it will be updated in your next report. Okay, so just calm down, and you can see here this milestone progress, and it looks really cool. So just you can check milestone 1 criteria. To reach milestone 1, you have to complete 2 arcade games, 2 trivia games, and 8 skill badges. To reach milestone 2, you have to complete 3 arcade games, 4 trivia games, and 18 skill badges. Okay, so now for milestone 3, you have to complete 5 arcade games, 6 trivia games, and 28 skill badges. And lastly, the ultimate milestone. To reach this milestone, you have to complete 6 arcade games, 8 trivia games, and 42 skill badges. Okay, so we prefer that kindly complete all these games like level 1, 2, 3, and 4 trivias in this month. Okay, so next 2 trivias in this month will be launched very soon after every week. So just stay tuned, we will update you when it will be available for the participants. So till then, just remember one thing, that you have to complete arcade level games and trivias. So you have to complete 6 arcade games, 8 trivia games, and 42 skill badges for the ultimate milestone. Suppose you have missed to complete a trivia game in this month, and then you won't be able to complete this 8 trivia games in the next month, and you won't be eligible to reach this ultimate milestone. Okay, so you have to complete every games as said in every trivias in this August month. There will be a chance to be eligible to reach ultimate milestone in the next month. Okay, so one more thing, that in this month, there are a lot of games have been launched, okay, like Arcade Base Camp, arcade certification zones, and this kind of arcade games. Okay, so don't focus on this. Just remember one thing, that you have to complete level 1, 2, 3, and 4 trivias. Okay, so just if you look at this ultimate milestone, you have to complete 6 arcade games. Okay, so in this August month, you have to complete 3 arcade games. In the next month, you have to complete 3 arcade games. And in this August month, there will be 4 trivias. Okay, so 4 trivias in this month. And in the next month, you have to complete 4 trivias. Okay, so it is very easy to everyone that you have a month to complete these challenges. Okay, so in this month, try to complete level 1, 2, 3 game, and all the trivia games like week 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you have completed the 3 level arcade games and trivias, then just try to complete skill badges for now. And when the arcade trivia week 3 and week 4 will be launched, then just complete this 2 trivias in this month. And in the next month, simply complete these level games and trivias, and if you met any milestone criteria, then you will be receiving bonus points of that milestone. To reach any milestone, you have to complete this basic criteria. And note one thing, that these milestones are not for swags. Okay, these milestones are to get the bonus point. Okay, I am showing you the point system to explain very briefly. If you check here, you can see, if you reach this milestone, you will receive 2 arcade bonus points. And for milestone 2, you can see this criteria, and then if you met this criteria, then you will be receiving 9 bonus points. If you reach this milestone 3, then you will receive 15 bonus points. And for the ultimate milestone, if you met this criteria, like 6 games, 8 games, and 42 skill badges, then you will receive 25 bonus points. Okay, so note one thing, that the more arcade points you have in your account, the more swags you can claim. Okay, so for now the swags for this program and for this entire cohort haven't revealed yet. So just wait for the announcement. When they will provide this announcement, then definitely we will share this as soon as possible. Okay, but stay tuned till then. You can check out our previous informative videos or lab solutions. We have already shared some 2023 swags details and 2024 cohort 1 swags details in our WhatsApp community. So if you haven't checked out what are the swags was in the last 2 cohorts, you can definitely comment below. We will be sharing these details to you. And one more thing, that the swags are really awesome, and every time they launch some new swags. Okay, and these swags are unique. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe us. We will sharing all this information updates in our YouTube channel. So just subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified.